China has achieved a major breakthrough in its artificial sun nuclear fusion program by completing the construction of the world's largest superconducting magnet. This superconducting magnet is designed to control hot plasma within the fusion reactor. China's target is to replicate the sun and control the energy-producing process in order to generate virtually limitless clean energy. It could change how the world... In the history of human civilization, the demand for energy has always been crucial. From the Industrial Revolution to today's modern digital era, our dependence on electricity has continuously increased. However, in the 21st century, the world is facing the critical issue of limited fossil fuels, environmental pollution, and the devastating impacts of climate change. In this situation, countries worldwide are turning toward renewable energy. China's leadership in this sector is perfectly demonstrated by the Gansu Wind Farm, known as the world's largest wind power project. Location and strategic importance. The Gansu Wind Farm is located in the Gansu province of northwestern China. This region is known for its vast deserts and barren land, where the human population is relatively low. The main reason for choosing such a large area for the project was the strong and consistent wind flow in this region, which creates an ideal environment for wind power generation. Objectives and massive capacity. China started working on this project in 2009 with three primary goals: to meet the rapidly growing demand for electricity, to reduce dependence on fossil fuels, to protect the environment by reducing carbon emissions. Initially, the project's capacity was a few hundred megawatts, but over time, it grew into a massive scale. The Gansu Wind Farm currently has a power generation capacity of 20,000 megawatts, 20 gigawatts. This is equivalent to the total power generation of many countries. For comparison, while Bangladesh's total power generation capacity is around 25,000 megawatts, the Gansu Wind Farm alone is capable of producing almost that much electricity. Project scale and technology. The scale of the project is so vast that thousands of wind turbines stand in rows across the desert. From a distance, it looks like a massive mechanical army standing in formation. Each wind turbine used in the Gansu Wind Farm is about 70 to 100 meters high, and the length of each blade exceeds 40 meters. A single large turbine is capable of supplying electricity to several hundred homes. The project utilizes highly advanced technologies, including smart control systems. These turn the turbine blades according to the wind speed and direction to maximize power generation. Grid connection systems. These transmit the generated electricity directly into the national grid. Remote monitoring systems. These monitor and control the status of all turbines from a distance. Environmental impact and challenges. The Gansu Wind Farm helps reduce carbon dioxide emissions by approximately 60 million tons per year, which is equivalent to taking thousands of cars off the road simultaneously. Additionally, it contributes significantly to keeping the environment clean and sustainable by reducing air pollution. Of course, a project of this scale comes with its own set of challenges. Sometimes, the wind speed fluctuates. To overcome this issue, robust energy storage systems are being developed. Future outlook, a model for the world. The Gansu Wind Farm is a unique example not just for China, but for the entire world. It has proven that a large portion of a country's electricity demand can be met solely through renewable energy. With proper technology and planning, even barren and desert lands can be transformed into productive power hubs. Future expansion. China plans to upgrade the capacity of the Gansu Wind Farm to 40 gigawatts, 40,000 MW by 2030. Furthermore, work is underway to turn it into a hybrid renewable energy center by integrating solar power and energy storage systems. At a time when climate change stands as the biggest threat to the world, China's Gansu Wind Farm shows humanity a new direction. It is not just a power plant, it is a symbol of future sustainable development. Thousands of wind turbines standing in the heart of the desert remind us that with clean energy, anything is possible.